In this video, I'll explain how you can track quiz analytics and measure the revenue generated by your quiz inside the RevenueHunt app. To view your quiz analytics, open the RevenueHunt dashboard and go to the Analytics tab. Here, you'll find detailed statistics for each of your quizzes, including engagement metrics and sales performance. At the top, you can select the time period you want to analyze by clicking the date selector. You can also enable a comparison view, either against the previous period or another quiz, to see how performance has changed over time. In the Analytics panel, you'll find key metrics such as how many users completed the quiz, orders resulting from the quiz, the total revenue generated by quiz-driven sales. To see other metrics, click Customize and add new cards to your Analytics dashboard. The app automatically tags every order that originates from the quiz. If a user completes the quiz, adds products from the results page, and completes a purchase, that order will be tagged with the quiz ID and quiz response ID inside the Shopify order notes. This allows RevenueHunt to precisely attribute sales back to the quiz that generated them. After that, all attributed orders and revenue will appear in your Analytics dashboard under Number of Orders and Total Order Value, giving you a clear picture of how much income your quizzes are generating. And that's it. That's how you can use the RevenueHunt Analytics panel to track performance, conversions, and revenue from your quizzes in one place. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.